Oh my God. Riyadh, what's wrong with you? You too? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Islamanu dabdan irtani. Namoni bura shakala. Okay. Serious. Wow, we don't go to irtani. Wankana sinjalu. Wow, we don't go to irtani. Just you missed something. Okay, wow, we don't go to irtani. Serious, please. Okay. Daddafa, guys, I'm waiting for you. Look, butter is made by us from cow's milk. Butter is made by us from... Oh my God, Riyadh. All right, Riyadh. Bravo, man. Bravo. Oh my God. Nice you are. Thank you. You did it, man. Okay, Riyadh argate jira. Okay, butter is made from cow's milk. From cow's milk by us, almost argate jira. Omanjuru. Okay, Riyadh argate jira. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry. Fayyadin by Gadda. Cow's milk butter is made by us. No way. The best answer for this question is butter is made from cow's milk by us. So, Gafi kana Riyadh argate jira. Or you can say your basate. Butter is made, okay? Butter is made by us from cow's milk. It's okay. Riyadh by argate jira. Kanaf David Sasurin. Butter is made from cow's milk by us. It's correct. Okay, the next question. Gafi Afrafa. Hangamma Sadi Fiduwala. Fayudin, you kneel, you diro. Okay? And Mr. Ryu, you score 3 out of 3. Okay, so far you got it. Okay, you are doing something great, so keep it up and don't give up. Okay, and for you didn't too, don't give up, never say that. Okay, try your best. Maybe we don't know what will happen at the end of the quiz, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next question, right? Shall we move, guys? You ready again? Fajuddin, are you okay? Shall we move? Okay, the next question is say that it's like this. Okay, she milks the cows every day. 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 Namoni bura malif shakala, please.